From Mrs. Martinez kindergarten classroom, and they're going to assist me in doing the pledges. So if you could, please stand and join us. Please stand, place your hand over your heart, and face the American flag as we do the Pledge of Allegiance in English. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now our Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Y ahora en español. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación ante Dios.
Con libertad y justicia para todos.
Y ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas. Meto fidelidad a ti, Texas. Salud bajo Dios. Would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please make sure you tell a trusted adult. We continue to be a no place for hate school, so please remember to treat everyone fairly. Do your best to be kind, even if people are not like you. If you see someone being hurt or bullied, make sure you tell a teacher, and continue to make your school a no place for hate school. We do have one birthday in the house. Happy March 30th birthday to Victoria R. in 4th grade. We wish you an amazing, amazing birthday. All right, students, we'd like to remind you that Mrs. Garza sent an email about the No Place for Hate, so teachers, please check it so that the students can do their activity. If you need to go to the, yes, please check the email. All right, we continue to welcome all of our returning new face-to-face students for the last 9 weeks. That's right, students, this is the beginning of the last 9 weeks, so make sure we finish strong. Today, we have gifted and talented testing for those kindergarten first and third graders who were invited. That starts promptly at 8 a.m. Second grade parent meeting is today via Zoom at 4:30. Please remember that attendance counts, and please make plans to attend every day. You never know what might happen here on a day at Woodland Acres. Also, students, please continue to practice safety. That means we're going to continue to wash our hands, wear our masks that cover our nose and our mouth unless we are eating, and that we continue to stay 3 to 6 feet away from everyone. The Kids Education themes for the month of March are respect, courtesy, and gratitude. Gratitude is one of the sweet shortcuts to finding peace of mind and happiness inside. No matter what is going on outside of us, there is always something we could be grateful for. All right, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. We're gonna try that one more time. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcat. The choice is always yours. So make it a terrific Tuesday.